Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into deploying a Node.js application to a Hostinger VPS. I'll guide you through setting up your server, transferring your files, installing dependencies, configuring a process manager, and securing your application. We'll cover everything you need to get your Node.js app live and running smoothly on Hostinger. Let's get started. First, you'll need a Hostinger VPS. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the VPS section. Choose a plan that suits your needs and deploy it. Once your VPS is active, you'll need to connect to it. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or your terminal. Enter your VPS's IP address and port, typically 22. Then, log in using your username and password. Now that we're connected, let's update the server's package list. Run the command sudo apt update. This ensures you have the latest information about available packages. Next, install Node.js and npm. Use the following command, sudo apt install Node.js npm. After the installation, verify that Node.js and npm are installed correctly. Type node.v and npm-v to check their versions. Now, let's transfer your Node.js application files to the VPS. You can use an FTP client like FileZilla or use the scp command in your terminal. Create a directory on your VPS to store your application files, for example, /var/www/mynode.js. Upload all your application files to this directory. After transferring the files, navigate to your application directory in the terminal using the cd command. Then, install the application's dependencies by running npm install. This will install all the packages listed in your package.json file. To ensure your application stays running even after you close your SSH session, we'll use a process manager. PM2 is a popular choice. Install PM2 globally using the command sudo npm install gpm2. Once PM2 is installed, start your application using the command pm2 start app.js. Replace app.js with your application's entry point file. You can then view the status of your application using PM2 status. To ensure PM2 starts automatically on server reboot, run PM2 startup systemd and follow the instructions provided. Now, for added security, configure a firewall. UFW is a simple and user-friendly firewall. Install UFW using sudo apt install of. Then, allow SSH connections with sudo of allow open SSH. Allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic using sudo of allow Nginx HTTP and sudo of allow Nginx HTTPS. Finally, enable the firewall with sudo of enable. To access your application from the internet, you might need to configure a reverse proxy using Nginx. Install Nginx using sudo apt install Nginx. Create a new configuration file for your application in /etc/nginx/sites available/. Configure the file to proxy requests to your Node.js application running on port 3000 or whichever port your application uses. Link the configuration file to /etc/nginx/sites enabled/. Finally, restart Nginx using sudo system to restart Nginx. And that's it. Your Node.js application should now be live on your Hostinger VPS. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video and subscribing for more content. Your support helps me create more tutorials like this. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Happy coding!